Accuracy engineer performance boom say. Alright, so this is a K20 wire loom, which is a automatic loom, and the automatic part was here, and converted to manual. So you would have the reverse, you have the speed sensor. Alright, so it is going to go on a K24A2 5-speed transmission, 5-speed manual transmission. So basically I add in two things, just the reverse, the speed sensor, and I add in a temperature gauge. I'm gonna remove the EGR valve there, and I have a couple wire inside here that I loop up, 4 extra auxiliary wire using for fan switch. So I'm gonna put the fan switch in place right here. Yeah, because water is gonna come up in the intake section right here where I point. Yes, so water is gonna come there. But basically this is for the transmission. So basically what leave in there is what I have here. Yep. So, and then this is where the speed sensor is gonna connect. If you notice, if you look closely, you would see this is the highlight, this is the temperature that I add in. So I stick to the same color that Honda use, which is yellow and green. So I put in the yellow and green, which is here. Yeah, this harness doesn't use the VTEC oil pressure, so it's just the VTEC, and the VTEC color stay as the original Honda OBD, OBD 0, OBD 1, OBD 2. See, as you can see, green with yellow stripe. And then you have the aisle, which is the aisle is the same the color that I tell you, yellow and red. And then you have the VTC, that is the cam that come right on the cam. And I tend to see this get mixed up by many technician that is doing it. They tend to put the black wire as grounds, continuous grounds, but it's not a continuous grounds. It goes straight to the computer, and then the blue and white is the 12 volt. So once you turn on the ignition, the computer send out a 12 volt to the blue and white wire, commanded by the computer, not by the key switch, but it commanded by the computer. So once you turn on the ignition and it's go to it a test run or test mode, yeah, the computer will turn on this circuit. So the next side now is the pulse width modulator. So the computer use a ground to close the circuit. Alright, so once you connect it to grounds, once you turn on the ignition, you're gonna feel the solenoid really hot because it connect wrong. Okay, and basically this use a 2-wire VTEC, which is grounds and the 12 that come. If you notice, it's 12 that come from the green and yellow wire, but the black is grounds. every other thing the same. So basically black with white 12 volt, black solid black is the grounds and the signal wire. Each signal wire change, each of them change. So we're running 3 ignition wire here of 3 different circuit. So the coils would have an ignition of white with black and white. The injectors would have yellow and black, and for the alternator you will notice you have a black and yellow. For the reverse it's gonna be a black and yellow, and for this would be black and yellow. So black and yellow, and then yellow and black for this. Normally the reverse is yellow and black, but normally like the speed sensor you would see black and yellow. So basically that's it. And if you look closely here you would see them. So basically you would see black and white, you would see the black with yellow, and if you look closely you see yellow with black. So everything is here. And basically what doesn't wire to the computer as yet is one of these wires gone, which I have 2 wire that I send down there to do the speed sensor. Alright, basically on the K series black and it would be black and blue, but normally on the OBD one you would see this, you would see blue and white, but any color can use. That's why I have it here set like this. So basically one of these, whichever I choose to use, is going to go over in this pin to control the speed, because the computer not seeing any speed as yet. So yeah, basically that's it. And through this come out of Civics, the R6 Civics, or the Honda Civics, you would see it have a junction box here. Basically what that do is just join the wire. It don't do anything different but just join 2 wire. But they had the reason why they do it, because the way how far this is located, you can't just plug it out like that and get to it that way. That's why they do it, that you can just simply push it here, clip it here. So basically this, it is modified now as a racing harness. So it was a loom before, but it's a racing harness now, because these are it's gonna talk and everything as well. So that's why it's gonna be a racing harness. So basically everything is on it, and these are what come off. So basically, you know, this would be your these would be the wires, these would be the transmission connector. Basically this is the neutral switch, this is for the solenoid, this is for input and output, this is for oil temperature, oil pressure, and this is for one of the other, the solenoids. So basically this is the whole loom, as you can see. So work racing engineer performance. Boom, we say, and it's about what's the time now? But I know it's after 1 right now, and this it's my current situation right now. So work racing engineer performance. Boom. Best of peace, love, keep safe.